What's the meaning of Christopher Reeve? Christopher Reeve. Christopher Reeve.
Christopher Reeve. Christopher Reeve. Christopher Reeve was an American actor, director, and activist, best known for portraying Superman in a series of films. He also appeared in other movies and television shows, including Somewhere in Time and The Bostonians. In 1995, Reeve was paralyzed from the neck down after a horseback riding accident. Following his paralysis, he became an advocate for people with disabilities and founded the Christopher and Dana Reeve Foundation, which provides resources and support for individuals living with paralysis. Reeve passed away in 2004 at the age of 52.